Hello guys, it's TessyE here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or it's TessyE. Today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face. You're welcome. Hope you guys are doing fine, and thank you so much for always supporting me. I see your comments, I see your likes. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So today's video is a makeup video. I'm not going to say a tutorial, makeup look video. Okay, so right now I have red hair. I would have to do a makeup that will balance with the red hair. Of course, any makeup goes with red hair, but today I just feel like doing something to balance this red hair out. So without further ado, let's get the video starting. First of all, I need to get this hair situated. Okay, because it's all up in my face. My lips are dry. I need to moisturize my lips. To moisturize my lips, I'm using this Very Beauty lip balm. First, let me get my brows situated. Okay, I'm working with the brows first. I will go with this black eye pencil, my mirror, and I have a brown eye pencil as well. Okay, so I'll use this brush to brush my brows. So to do my brows now, I just go with stroking the brows upwards. I don't know how to say it, just like this. I'm just following the line of my brows, that's all. And I just learned this method recently. And I'm using this brush to blend these harsh lines. The next step is to use concealer to clean it up. I'm using the LA Girl concealer to clean my brows in Cool Tan. So I'll use this brown to give it lighter shade at the front. I think it's okay like this. So my brows are done. To prime my lid, I'm going with this LA Girl concealer as well. The palette I'm using for this eyeshadow, I'm going to be mismatching with these two Revelation palettes here. Okay, I'm going with this dark brown here first. So I'm placing this on my crease. The next color I'm placing is this burnt orange with the same brush. The next color I'm going with is this coral color here. I'm using this patting brush to pat. So I'm going to pat it on my lid. Using the first brush I used to blend these two colors here. And to avoid any harsh line, I'm using a clean brush to blend under my brow bone. When it comes to eyeliner, I'm worst when it comes to eyeliner, honestly. I apply my eyelashes offline, champagne color on my tear dots. To prime my face, I'm using this Clarice to prime my face. I have this primer for a very long time now. It's almost done. Little goes a long way. The funny thing, I've talked about this breakout I've been having recently on one of my recent video, okay, when I was talking about my mom and my younger sister was talking about the breakout has something to do with maturity, and I was laughing at them that it's not possible, it's just once in a while. But some of my friends here on YouTube were saying, Tessie, your mom and your younger sister are right, okay, so I have to call them now and tell them that they were right. They will laugh at me, but that's fine. So we'll learn every day, okay? I didn't know that maturity has something to do with this breakout of a thing. So thank you guys for the confirmation on that video. Thank you guys so much. I'm done with priming my face now. The foundation I'll be using, I have 3 options of foundation right now. I have this Fenty Beauty and this L'Oreal and this Clinique foundation, but I always find myself drawing to this L'Oreal foundation, so I'll go with this L'Oreal foundation. Pump it in my hand first. Go with this foundation brush. The only thing you have to work fast with this foundation because it dries down quickly. My under eye concealer, I'm going with this Fenty Beauty concealer. And for my contour, I'll be using this Elegant Pro concealer in dark cocoa. Let my under eye concealer set for a while. So now I'm using the same beauty blender I use on my foundation to blend out. For powder, I'll be using this NYX finishing powder, okay? I'm not baking on anything, just so to set the rest of my face, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix oldie but goodie. I've had it for years. Applying some blush. Highlight my nose just a little bit. I'm using this MAC highlighter. Just dab. For my lips, I'm going for something very, very simple. I will use this brown pencil to line my lips. The lip gloss I'll be using to top it is from Very Beauty Lip Gloss Nude, okay? Yours truly, so patronize your girl, okay? It's moisturizing and hydrating. Smells nice. So this the lip gloss is called Ride On Perfect Nude from my lip gloss collection, okay? So that's what I have on now. Okay, so the next step is to set this face to bring it home. To set my face, I'll be using this NYS Bear With Me setting spray. Drench. So this is the finished look. If you watch to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and remember to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know how you like the look. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye.